In this problem, the question is to calculate this number without expanding. Of course, if you see here, we have square root of 2 plus 1 is the conjugate of square root of 2 minus 1. And we will try to use this fact. And the first thing we will do is we will try to make the same power. So here we have square root of 2 plus 1 to the power of 5. It's square root of 2 plus 1 to the power of 5 is 3 plus 2 times square root of 2 minus 1 to the power of 3. And here it's of course equal to, here, the property of powers, square root of 2 plus 1 to the power of 3 times square root of 2 plus 1 to the power of 2 or squared times square root of 2 minus 1 to the power of 3. Now we bring the cube nearer to the cube. We will have square root of 2 plus 1 cubed times square root of 2 minus 1 cubed times square root of 2 plus 1 squared. And we know that a to the power of n times b to the power of n is equal to ab to the power of n. So we will use it here with a equals square root of 2 plus 1 and b equals square root of 2 minus 1 and n equals 3. So here it's equal to square root of 2 plus 1 times square root of 2 minus 1 to the power of 3 times square root of 2 plus 1 squared. And here, of course, we have gained our conjugate nearer to other. So here we can use the special product. So this number is equal to, here this number is equal to square root of 2 squared minus 1 squared. A plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared cubed times square root of 2 plus 1 square root of 2 plus 1 squared. And now it's almost done because this number is equal to square root of 2 squared is equal to 2 minus 1 squared is 1 cubed times square root of 2 plus 1 squared. And of course, 2 minus 1 is just 1, and 1 cubed is just 1. And 1 times this number is just this number. So it's equal to square root of 2 plus 1 squared. And here now we can expand since it's just a simple number. It's square root of 2 squared plus 2 times square root of 2 times 1 plus 1 squared. And of course, this number is equal to, now we write our number here, our final result. This number is equal to, here square root of 2 squared is equal to 2, and 2 plus 1 squared, which is 1, is equal to 3, plus 2 square root of 2, 2 square root of 2. And this is, of course, the final result. And you see how we used the property of conjugate numbers to calculate the number without really expanding. And this, of course, concludes our problem.